Okay, Punchy, as I've stated in previous videos, in a magazine, VolksMania, and we're gonna go to Books A Million right now and pick it up off the store shelf because I feel like that's required.
So exciting.
So VolksMania already sent me a copy in the mail, so I already have a copy, but I feel like it's mandatory to actually go to the store and see it on the shelf and pick it up and buy it. So that's what we're gonna go do now. It's a hot one.
Just a little bit.
Sweating already. I can't wait for winter. I actually got to drive this car a little bit more often when it's not 91 degrees out. I feel a little nervous.
It's exciting.
It is exciting. I've been waiting a long time for this.
All right, magazines, where are you at?
Hi. Transportation. Oh, there it is.
Oh, right up front.
There he is.
Awesome.
So, back in college, which was like 20 years ago, I had a 2000 Chevy Cavalier that I told my friend Eric Blackburn that I would have in a magazine one day if I kept it. But that was a long time ago. And this car's a lot nicer in my opinion, so it's not the Cavalier. What we got here?
And there you are in a picture.
There I am, sweating it out for photographs. That was a hot morning, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Never thought the day would come where I could walk up, pick up a magazine, and see my car on it.
So do you buy every copy or do you leave some for other people?
Well, there's 3 left, so the idea...
Just keep one.
The idea is I already have one at home that I want to keep as just keep it as a magazine. I want to buy a few more copies so I can cut out the pages and then frame them, and also leave one to where I can have the cover in that frame with the other pages, if that makes sense. So, let's see, they're $10 each. Should I get 2 or 3? There's only 3
You gotta
here.
save some for someone else to get it. Unless they have a box in the back. I don't know how it works.
I'm sure they keep, it looks like they keep 3 to 5 magazines of everything on the shelf, so I'll get 2. This will be on the shelf for like another few weeks, so I can always come back. All right, let's go get these. Yeah, that'd be good. Car right there.
Oh, nice.
Got a nice page spread in there, so
Oh, wow.
I wanted to come make sure I got it actually off the shelf.
Right,
Hold it.
yeah. That's awesome.
And if you complete this survey, you get a $5 off 25 coupon on your next visit.
Okay, thanks.
All right, thanks. You guys have
See
a
ya.
good day.
Thanks.
There it is. Ah, we made it back home in all one piece. Sweaty, but in one piece. yeah, boys. Great day for me. Thanks for watching the video. Just had to kind of include this into my channel because this is kind of one of the once in a lifetime kind of opportunity. Definitely one of my bucket list items as a car owner. I will definitely cherish this moment forever. We're gonna also try to get this bus, Joey's bus here. He's gonna come back and pick it up in the next day or two finally. I've had it for way too long. It's just been so hot. It's hard to go to work and then, you know, come home and work on another vehicle out in the sun. So we're gonna try to get this in VolksMania magazine as well here soon. He's gonna redo the interior on this thing to kind of make it match the outside. And so I guess that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and drop a comment if you happen to get this magazine. If you see my car in there, let me know in the comments. It's really cool to see people interact. I had somebody that said they went to Walmart and they saw my car on the cover of this magazine and they recognized it from the channel, so that was really kind of a cool moment. So if you've seen this on magazine shelves, give me a little shout out in the comments, and thanks for watching. Till the next time, see you later. Okay, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the right there, and make sure you check out my other video on the left.